This is Active Enzyme Laundry Booster. It works extremely well with clothes that needs a little extra boost, dirty clothes, socks, things that are just needing some extra work. Add this laundry booster to your regular detergent. It is concentrated, fragrance-free, and it's all natural. This is up to 64 loads of laundry boost. You can see this is a very big 2-pound bag. This was sent to me from the Active company in exchange for my honest review, and I am so happy to tell you how this works. You simply use the scoop that's provided, and you add it to 1 scoop to 2 scoops, depending on how much laundry you have and how dirty it is. For those dirty rags and socks there, and you will see it works extremely well. Watch and see the results. Let's check on that laundry. Look at that, those very dirty socks, very clean. The Active Enzyme Laundry Booster really made a difference with my laundry. I highly recommend. It's all natural, concentrated, fragrance-free, and it really does help with the tough clean.